one, soup one, and then you eat it. Super delicious. Hey boys and girls, finally the lockdown is almost over. Most of the restaurants here in Malaysia is starting to open. If you don't know what is Bah-kut-tê, you are missing out a lot. Come along with me and I'll show you what is Bah-kut-tê and how to eat it and where can you find the best Bah-kut-tê places here in KL. I'm not eating Bah-kut-tê alone. I have YouTube star here, Ken abroad.
Hello.
Partial lockdown is still in place, so we have to sit separately.
Like, keep the distance.
Yeah, have you ate Bah-kut-tê before?
No, it's my first time I would eat this, so I'm very excited to try it.
He has no idea what Bah-kut-tê is. So Bah-kut-tê is a Chinese people's food where the leftover of the pork and then pork and intestine, it's a lot of herbs together to make the soup, and you boil the soup with dark sauce and with the pork inside, and it's usually eaten a breakfast. Are you excited?
Yes, I am. I always love to try new foods.
With Bah-kut-tê you always have yao zha guai. So with Bah-kut-tê you always have to have tea for Bah-kut-tê.
So this is
Thi Guan Ying. And that's how you do it.
Why we get 3 cups?
Oh, one is to wash. Like you wash it. Yeah. The spices that makes the dish very special. Only in Malaysia and Singapore. So if you come to Malaysia, this is like a must eat. And you can never find it anywhere in the world. My first stop, and I have not eaten Bah-kut-tê like in 2 months since the lockdown. So today is the first day the shop opened, and I'm like, rush here immediately. Usually when I travel overseas for a while, the first dish I will eat when I come back is Bah-kut-tê.
You're one of your favorite foods actually.
Oh yes. That's the cabbage that you always eat with Bah-kut-tê. That's the onion rice. The dry one. And then we have the soup one, zha guai, and you dip it in here. Outside, another important ingredient, which is garlic. You put the garlic here, Ken, and then you put the thick soya sauce. It's not very healthy, but then you put the thick soya sauce here. And what you do is you kind of dip it here, and then you eat it.
Really soft, the meat is really soft. That's really good.
Yeah, because it's been cooked in the soup for many hours.
Oh, hello. Okay, put here. Okay. This one for you to put the bone, or you take the. You drink this one. No. This one, the taste is totally different. You drink this one. Or you want another one? Next here. Okay. Once the food arrives, right, you drink this one. Then you know the taste. Now it's a bit.
So drink the soup first.
Yes. Then don't put the fritters inside here. It's oily, the fritters.
But
That will spoil the soup.
isn't it the same like this?
Yes, different. This is from the clay pot. This is fritters are different. You know the taste of the soup. Otherwise you won't know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. The specialty is in the soup.
Yeah.
Look at that. We've almost finished. How did you like it?
Really good. The pork meat was really good. So the pork has a special flavor, so I really like that.
Yeah. So it's a lot of herbs here.
Yeah, exactly. A lot of herbs, and that end up to a really special flavor. So really cool.
Right. So Ken, you've been trapped here in Malaysia for 2 months. So you tried many Malaysian food. How is this compared to the Malaysian food you tried?
I have to say that the flavor here is totally different.
Totally different.
I never
yeah.
had flavor like this before, so it's like, that's what I like about food in Malaysia, because it's so diverse. You have a lot of food from, or influences from different cultures,
Right.
different nationalities,
Right.
and that's what I like about here, because you can try so much different food, and really cool.
And the dry type, or you like the soup type?
I think I prefer this one here.
You prefer the soup type?
Yeah.
Oh.
These little things here are really nice.
The Riau tak wai, right? It's my favorite too. So that's our first stop. I'm off to the next stop for in search of the best Bak Kut Teh here in Malaysia. I have arrived now in the city of Klang, and this is supposed to be the birthplace of Bak Kut Teh. This is what the city of Klang is famous for, so let's check this place out. So I finally get to order and eat the famous Klang Bak Kut Teh. Here we have the soup one, and we have the dry version, and then we have the pork knuckle. Is it Teng Lai? What is it? Oh, this is then the pork knuckle, and of course the traditional cabbage veggie. So this is like a very typical Klang Bak Kut Teh set, which I am going to gobble up and savor right now. So I'm halfway done. I think this was very special because they put salted fish inside, which I've never tasted. Like the dry version, I've never tasted with salted fish. And this was very different from the ones that I've tried in KL. It's, I think, less salty, and the herbs are really, really intense in this one. And of course the pork knuckle is, I think, very delicious. It's a lot of portion. I'm halfway there, and this is absolutely delicious. So I'm going to continue eating and finish all of this. It's dinner time. We're on our way to our last stop for our my Bak Kut Teh journey. I think I have this is Heng Lai, by the way. Heng Lai is going to bring me to a special place, and I think I have a feeling that I've been there before. So I think I'm going to like this one. I have a feeling. So we'll go there now for our last stop.
It will be a surprise for you.
Meja sengit.
Again?
Buyuk tu saya pun tak pernah sentuh mana ada, tak mana. Mana buyuk tu boleh lah biasa. Hey, ini jangan share, muat buat.
So I think so far this is my favorite Bak Kut Teh spot because the fish is really nice and the aroma and the sauce is really, 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 really delicious. So I think this is so far my favorite spot, Teng Lai. I want to thank Teng Lai for bringing me here to this place. I will be writing all the description down of all the 3 places that I've been to for my Bak Kut Teh journey. And if you like this channel, please click like and subscribe. I hope to see you on my next food journey that I'll be bringing you to lots of different spots in KL for delicious food, which KL is famous for, right? Till my next video, stay healthy and safe.